Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to book a car on Skyscanner. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to book a car on Skyscanner. Maybe because you're going to travel into a different city or country where you will visit different places. So you want your own car, but you couldn't get your own car because you're going by air, so you couldn't get your car there. So you want to rent a car in which you could visit different places for few days, or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can get a car on Skyscanner. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Skyscanner app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Skyscanner app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have the icon of the app at the top of the screen and their options almost all over the screen. So from all these options, we have another option which says car hire at the top right side of the screen. With the help of that option, you can hire a car for few days, like if you're going to a city or maybe to another country where you cannot get your own car and you also want to visit different places. So there you could rent a car in which you will travel for few days, and once you done traveling, you will return that car to the person who is the owner of that car. So with the help of this option, car hire, once you have to click on it, and after that you have to fill out some of the information and then you can get a car. First we have to tell it like where you want the car. Like if you're going to New York, if you want the car in New York, if you want the car in London, Canberra, Sydney, which city you want the car in. So here you have to select that city, and after that you have to tell it what type of car you're looking for. Also first you have to explain like from which date to which date you need that car. You can choose it from the calendar, and then you have to simply click on this blue option, and after that you have to choose which type of car you're specifically looking for. It could be a big car, medium car, small car, truck, or maybe two person, anything else. Other than that, we have options you can choose from where you need, from airport or maybe pickup or any other options. So here we have different kind of filters. You have to go through all these filters, and once you go through you will find different cars, and then you can see that how much it will cost, its condition, and all things related to that car. Once you tap on to any one of these, you will get to know more about that car, and if you think that this is the best option for you, you may book it for your trip. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can book a car on Skyscanner. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.